Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Etsy to share. This is some planner stickers and I am super excited about them. So let's see. I love how she does this. This is from Sweet RT Designs and I have purchased from her before and she just does a great job. I just love her stickers and she has quick shipping and she has great designs. And her kits have lots of stickers in them, so that's fun too. So let's see, the first thing that I have is something really cute. This is her freebie, it looks like. So there's a little teardrop paper clip, and then there's some cute die cuts for Easter. A little dragon with ears and a dragon and an egg. And collect 5 trees to receive $5 off your purchase. And here are the trees. And this says Monday suck. And a little dragon with a coffee. Refill pill case. That's nice to remember. And date night. And then a little Care Bear and an iced coffee and some fingernail polish. Just really cute. So the first kit here is Strawberry Shortcake. Do you guys remember her? When I was young, I used to love her. I want to smell these, but they don't smell. But she had a friend named Blueberry Muffin or something. Oh my gosh, I had those two. And there was an apple somebody that I later got. And oh my gosh, they smelled so good. And they were just so much fun to play with. And they were just sweet little girls. And it was just cute, and there was even a cartoon later with them, but they were little figurines. So this is Strawberry Shortcake, and then these are the check boxes, and the half boxes, and the headers. And then here's the washi, and some functionals, and then this is washi as well. And then this one is like quarter boxes and check boxes and some functionals. How cute, and the weekend sticker. And then here are the day stickers, day and date. And then some more functionals all crossed. Very cute. So that is a kit. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages in her kits. So that's quite a lot. And like I said, I hadn't ever seen this before, or this one, and I fell in love with the Jetsons. I like them too. They weren't my absolute favorite, but I did like them a lot. They were one of my favorites for sure. Astro and Judy and Elroy, Jane, and George Jetson, of course, was the man. And this was a cartoon that, if you guys are too young to know, this is a cartoon that takes place in the future. And here are the check boxes and the cute washi and the quarter boxes. I love how she decorates those. And some checks and quarters and functionals, weekend sticker, and then here are the day and dates. Very cute. And then this one is definitely one of my very faves. I love the Flintstones. They were always a favorite of mine. And the Flintstones and the Jetsons would come on after each other. And the Flintstones do a thing where they meet the Jetsons in some cartoons. The only guy I didn't like in the Flintstones is this guy. And he didn't come until later. And he was from outer space. And he made it all weird. I didn't like him. But I like everybody else. And here are the check boxes for those, and the quarter boxes. Look, and he didn't even make it in one of those. Good. One of the things I loved about the Flintstones is that they would have, like, this was an animal of theirs, this was an animal of theirs, and they would have animals that, like, did the dishes or were their shower, and they'd pull the elephant's nose and, you know, like, use that as the shower or whatever, and it was just fun. I thought that was really cute. So here are the washis and the day and dates with all the bones, and then the checklists and the quarter boxes and the weekend sticker. Super cute. So that's really fun. And then you guys know how much I love my Snoop Dogg. So I also got this kit, and this one is adorable. There's Snoopy and Linus and Pigpen and Lucy, Woodstock, and of course Charlie Brown and Peppermint Patty and Sally, and what is her name? Oh, I don't remember her name right now, but Marcy hangs out with Peppermint Patty. And here are the check boxes and the quarter boxes and weekend sticker. And oh my goodness, look at these day and date stickers. It has Snoopy all over them. So cute. And the quarter boxes. I love it. And here are the washi stickers. Super cute. I am super excited about those. So that was my purchase from Sweet RT Designs, and I really do hope that you guys will check them out because she has some really nice stuff that you might not have seen anywhere before, because I hadn't seen any of these, and I think that's always fun and unique to be able to find something that you haven't seen, because so many things are, you know, just everywhere. So I love these, and I hope that you guys do too, and I hope that you guys will check out her store, and I will post it down below. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.